In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss statement report in QuickBooks Online. This is one of the most important reports you'll use because it shows exactly how much money your business is making or losing over a specific period of time. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account and on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Reports and click on it. This is where QuickBooks stores all the different financial reports available for your business. Once you're on the Reports page, you have a few ways to find the profit and loss report. At the top, there's a search bar. Click into that search bar and start typing profit and loss. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matching reports. When you see profit and loss appear in the list, go ahead and select it. If you prefer to browse instead of searching, scroll down to the section called Business Overview. The profit and loss report is usually listed there. In some accounts, it may already be marked as a favorite, so you might also see it in a Favorites section near the top of the page. Either way, click on Profit and Loss to open the report. Now that you have the report open, you'll want to set the date range so the information is meaningful. Near the top of the page, find the drop-down menu labeled Report Period. Click on that and you'll see several options. You can choose something like this year, last calendar year, this month, or last month. If you need a specific time frame, such as a particular quarter or a custom period for a project, select Custom and enter your start and end dates. Taking a moment to choose the right period is important because the profit and loss report will only show income and expenses for the dates you select. For example, if you're preparing information for taxes, you might choose last calendar year. If you're reviewing your current performance, you might look at this year to date. Once you've selected the date range, you're ready to generate the report. Look for the button labeled Run Report and click it. QuickBooks will refresh the page and display your profit and loss statement using the settings you've chosen. From here, you can review your income, expenses, and net profit, and you can always adjust the date range and run the report again if you need a different view.